Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, which is the ultimate place for you to feel and look your absolute best. And in today's video, I want to be talking about a very interesting topic: how to make the most of your time, how to be the most productive during these crazy times. And I've got top 5 tips for you to help make this COVID a blessing in disguise and 2020 your best year ever. So if you're interested in leveling up, please keep watching. Number 1 tip: do the things that you have always wanted to do. Make a list, all of those things, all the old hobbies that you might have in high school or in college and you are best at it or you wanted to improve on it. Learn a new skill, upskill yourself. Make a list of all those things. And this is the time, guys. This is the time when you can actually do the things that make you happy. For example, if you have always wanted to, read some good books, why not do it now? You wanna know how to be better at chess, maybe? Well, I need to do that too. Yeah, good idea. I'm gonna probably add it to my list. So yes, make a list or spend more time with your family. If that's something you've always wanted to do, play more with your little ones, or just have a candlelight dinner at home. How exciting it is. And funny fact, I've got a candle lighting here which says "Seek your soul sets on fire," but unfortunately it's not fitting in the frame. So the candle reminded me, actually the candlelight dinner reminded me of this candle, which is just on the side. Yeah. All right, second tip, the second very good tip that you can do, and which I think everybody should be doing anyways in their everyday life, is self-care. Especially the ladies, you out there, please make some time for a nice relaxing home facial, or put a hair mask, or you can just set up a nice spa in your bathtub in the comfort of your own home, play some music, and read a book. All the little things, they are the most amazing, in the long run. When you think about them, what do we miss in our everyday life? We are working hard, we are doing everything else, and we are always on the go. But those little things, if we ever take time out for them, they make us feel really good. And this is the time for it. We always complain, oh, we don't have time. There is no excuse at all. You have that time, and make it a habit, because research says that if you want to make a habit, do a certain task for 60 days, and after 60 days it's easier to include that, whatever the new hobby or the new skill that you are learning in your daily life. It's much more easier. Number 3, and that is one of the most globally the most important topic in our lives. And it's funny enough, how much we talk about it on a daily life to other people, and yet we most of the times don't do anything about it. And yes, I'm talking about health and fitness. As much as we love to hear about it, as much as we like to see all those transformational pictures on the social media and read all the motivational quotations out there, what are we doing about it? Because we never have time. So I know a lot of you do it, and I know, I'm kudos to you, but there's still a lot of us who are struggling. And yes, I know, especially with moms with kids, we always struggle with time, and as women generally, we always keep our families first, our loved ones first, so we tend to just sacrifice a lot for ourselves. So that's sounding like a psychology session. Yeah. All right, now let's get back to point. Yes, so fitness and healthy eating, which goes obviously hand in hand. So fitness, just make 30 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day, and go for a run if you can, or even a walk. And if you have got some equipments at home, even just a yoga mat, put on a YouTube tutorial, anything online. As I said, there's a lot of information, there are a lot of resources, guys. It's not like how it used to be years ago, but now it's easier to stay at home, right? And there's a lot to do. If you want to lie on the couch all day and complain about you don't have time, or just I'm bored at home. No, you cannot be bored at home if you have things to do. So yes, start exercising, start experimenting with new healthier meals. There's so much that you can do, learn healthy cooking if that's your thing. Or if you've always you always eat it out and you have been takeaway fan, this is your time. You're gonna save a lot of money once everything is over. And I know a few of us are back to work, but there's still a lot of us who are working from home. So if you start learning all the healthy recipes, the quick 5-minute 10-minute dinner recipes or lunch recipes or something like yummy, this is a time to for trial and error. So yep, work on your health and set goals, and experiment something really interesting, exciting. Like, for example, I made a gluten-free, sugar-free banana bread the other day, and I'm addicted. I'm hooked to it, and I'm like making it every week now. And I always keep a batch in the fridge, because sometimes I do get cravings too. I know most of us do. So yeah, back to the point, health and fitness, make it your priority. Number 5, declutter the damn house. Reorganize all the kitchen shelves, bathroom, everything. Throw all the clothes that you don't fit in anymore, you don't love anymore. Most of us have a habit of piling up stuff over the years. We just hoard things, and I feel that this is the time where you can breathe in a cleaner and more positive, decluttered space, because the surroundings that you are in, the space that you live in, especially when you're living in your house 24/7, not going out anywhere, even if you are you're mainly sitting at home, it is really important for your mental health, just to feel good, that you have a very clean and a homely, comfy atmosphere. So the best thing to do it is go to room by room, and the stuff that you don't enjoy, you can always give it away to charity. There are a lot of shops, like here we have Salvation Army, Weenies, and there are several other spots where you can drop the clothes that you don't love, and they can be recycled. And all the furniture, if there's stuff that is in a good condition and you think you can get some money out of it, sell it online. So be clever, be smart with what you're doing, and just have a cleaner and nicer space to breathe in and feel. It's gonna feel so much better, trust me. I am obsessed about cleaning my house and just reorganizing more than cleaning. And I'm constantly shuffling stuff around to see how it can look a bit better and clearer and cleaner. That brings me to my last tip number 5, and that is in line with the tip number 4, decluttering. After you have decluttered your house, you need to declutter your head, your circle, your surroundings, the people that you hang out with, because you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with. So if there are people you have been hanging out with and you're not getting any quality relation with them, you're not learning, you're not enjoying your time with them, they're not helping you grow, they don't clap when you win, that's a big one. Yes, most of us have people around us who would never ever clap when we win, and you don't need those toxic people in your life anymore. So this make a note of the people that don't bring any value to your life, who only bring negative emotions, who only give you a really hard time, judge you for who you are. Well, I can speak about it all day anyways. So you need to remove all the toxic people from your life and just restart your life. This year is for that transformation, restarting, and just being better than you have ever been in every aspect of your life, be it looking fitter, feeling fitter, looking healthier, feeling healthier, having a cleaner home, having a decluttered workspace, and learning new skills. It has to be a sum of everything. You cannot just expect to work on one thing and make it reflect on all the other things. It is, as I said, it's a sum of everything. It's an average. You have to put your 100% in everything that you do. Hope these tips help you be more productive with your life and help you make the most of the COVID-19 quarantine or the lockdown or the time that we are in, and enjoy it without feeling depressed, without feel anxious, or without letting those negative emotions come in our head. Just enjoy and look at the positive side, what we can learn from it. Learn to enjoy the small things, be peaceful, and just practice gratitude. Thank God for whatever you have in your life. And yeah, on that note, I would like to finish this video. But in the next video, I will be discussing in detail all of these 5 points that I discussed. So exploring, getting new hobbies, self-care, fitness and health, also decluttering your house, decluttering your mind. These top 5 tips I will be discussing in detail one by one. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video,